I started earning in age of 50. Pasina आया पूरा का पूरा हर दिन 10 रुपये. There, if you are getting 1 lakh, you will never spend the money because I reached at the bottom. चटक पे आ गया.
How much is your portfolio?
5 crores.
You were earning 10 rupees daily. How much were you saving expenses?
That time, don't ask me about saving. Nothing I don't know about savings investment. को मालूम है gold खरीदो, land खरीदो. I went to see some lands in Chennai. मैं फंस गया in the loan. If somebody asks what is your biggest mistake, that is a mistake.
You don't even think one should take home loan early?
Get out.
Welcome, Viren. Thank you for
you so
coming
much.
here. Very inspiring story you have, right? But let's just start with like, how old are you? What do you do? Where are you from?
Currently, now it is 41. Located presently, I am in Chennai. Having a quality, spend time with a quality.
So you have retired kind of?
I am retired because I made a money. So passively, it comes on my accounts. Now, I don't want to work.
And what is your passive income today look like?
1,40,000. It comes on.
I would love to know, what was your childhood like? What was the family like?
Born up, brought up in Trichy. So 1983 I born. 88 I lost my father. So my mother and 3 kids. We are in the road.
And there was no extended family support?
No, there was only one person. He is my godfather, Tata. I mean, Tata means Tamil and grandfather. Up to 10th, anyhow she managed. After 10th, he said, there is no way to go to school. Go, this is a mechanic shop in Trichy. That is the biggest one. You join there.
How old are you? 15?
15.
So this is 98.
15. 1997.
It is foolish to call it a salary, but like, what, or was it
That is a good salary, I want to say. Pasina आया पूरा का पूरा हर दिन 10 रुपये.
Oh, it's not even a monthly salary. It's daily kind
Daily
of. If
salary?
you don't go someday, you don't.
No. अगर आ गया तो आपका 10 रुपया मिल जाएगा. So monthly 300 rupees or 270 rupees something. 1.5 years I was there, but I enjoy a lot. If you want to ask me to go again, yes, I want to. And then one day there is a lorry called Meenakshi. That owner always used to see me. So one day I was carrying the chaya. वो chaya दिया. उसको पूछा आपका उम्र कितना है? I said, sir, 15. You should study, man. Back to study, please. Mani sir, he is the owner of that workshop. He called him. You send him for school. Then I was sad. अरे यार हमको school भेजने का try कर रहा है. Then they said, okay, आपको school नहीं जाना. एक काम करो, diploma in mechanical engineering. I don't have money. My mom will not accept. Then he said, we will fund up. So all together we collected. Joined in diploma mechanical engineering. There is a company called Rane Brakes in Chennai. So I went to their Rane Brakes over there as a contract employee. Around 900 rupees salary. For me, 3 times hike. I was flying. 900 rupees are very good. Great job. I am the only one diploma mechanic. All others are from MTech, BTech, GET. They are talking something. English में वो बात कर रहा था. मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. They are talking technically. मेरे को मालूम नहीं technically इतना. One day we were in the room. So everybody looking the Wednesday opportunity papers, Hindu paper. Then I asked, अरे क्या चल रहा है? They said, hey, you want to work in this company only? What you are thinking? You don't want to jump? Okay, how? You see that is opportunity. You see that is a mail ID. I asked, what is mail ID? I will open the mail ID for you. He said, still I am using that only one mail ID because of him. There I seen one job in Sharjah job. Everybody saying, sure you will get a call, you apply this. There my turnaround, it is started. Salary details, it is around 1,200 AED.
So 15,000.
15,000 kuch hai.
But still 15x.
Again, I am flying.
How much were you saving expenses?
Kuch nahi hai. There is a Western Union. Send the money to home. That's it. Because food and facility, accommodation, everything company provided.
Oh, so this 15,000 rupees plus.
Yes. Sara company dega. Tax 0.
And how much was that 15,000 was getting saved?
That time, don't ask me about saving. Nothing I don't know about savings investment. Zero knowledge.
So you had no knowledge?
No idea.
You're just saying I have to
saving
feed my
मतलब मेरा घर को बेचना.
Year 2007.
Correct.
You were getting 15,000 rupees.
Correct.
How did that increase, salary increase?
After I was there 1.5 years in Sharjah.
Okay.
After 1.5 years, I went to Qatar. Qatar, it is 6,000 dirhams. Dirhams. It is around 55 to 60,000.
55 to 60.
Correct.
So about 3x salary.
3x.
And then?
Kuwait. Kuwait Oil Company. They are around 625 KD.
Which is about 1.5 lakh.
Yeah, yes, exactly. Then Iraq. I went to Iraq. That is around 4,500 USD. There around I was 2-3 years. Then UAE, I went in 2019. Till date, 6,500 USD.
When did you come to this concept of saving करना होता है, investment करना होता है?
2011 I was married. 2012 kids are there, started. So they are missing, started to missing. So I want to break this. काम को नहीं जाना, लेकिन पैसा आना चाहिए. How to do that?
Did you ask anyone? Did you do online search? मतलब whom did you
No,
you
that time there is no financial, there is no even, I don't know about Demat account. You know, first time my bank account was UTA Bank. You remember that is the name of Axis Bank now. Account open किया, मेरे पास एक आदमी आया. I will open for you Demat account. I said, get out. Why you are talking nonsense?
You thought he's selling you something, mis-selling you something.
If somebody asks what is your biggest mistake, that is a mistake. Actually, he is an angel. That is how knowledge. I don't know Demat account. I don't know about financial matters. मेरे को इतना मालूम नहीं है portfolio क्या है. Tier 3 का mentality. हमको मालूम है gold खरीदो, land खरीदो. बस इतना ही हमको मालूम है. I invested in gold. Middle East went there. No? After 4-5 years, I started only buying gold and छोटा land. Maybe I am wrong buying the gold physically. But I want to make it my 2 daughters at least 2,000 grams. That is my target. I went to the one jewelry. He said, sir, you can invest monthly 10,000. 11 month तक आप करना चाहिए. 12th month we will do that. And when you buy the physical gold, 0% of making charge, 0% in wastages. It is around 16%. 16% who will give? Nobody. 1 year I tested that one. Very nice. 16% I got without wastages and broking and something. Then the second year I went to 20,000. Now 19 pay. 50,000 मैं पे किया. 21 1 lakh monthly. 2022 1.5 lakh. 2023 2 lakh per month. When I received the gold, the jewelry man said, sir, 7 lakh of bajaya. Financially well educated people, if somebody CA from ask me you did it wrong, well, that's okay, that's wrong, but I did a savings in my physical gold, that is a real money.
When did you buy the first land?
2013 3 lakhs में खरीदा है एक. सेकंड लैंड 2014 में खरीदा है 4.5 lakhs. 2016 में खरीदा है 6.2 lakhs. That is a land. Then 2016 we bought a house, Chennai. The first house I bought it, but loan. When we are crossing in the bike, I have a bike, Royal Enfield. My wife said, our bank is crossing. Let's have a discussion. I went to bank manager. I said, sir, how are you, sir? What is the balance? How much it is there pending? And he said, sir, अब 9 lakhs you pay कर दिया. उसमें 7 lakhs it is in interest. 2 lakhs for capital. Me and wife was 30 seconds we freezed. Then I came outside the bank. I said, we should stop this. I opened the mobile. I seen there is a 2 accounts. One is a loan account, one is a savings account. In the loan account, the next month, I started 5 lakhs. Then I got a call from manager. I was in Iraq. Sir, आप क्या कर रहा सर? इतना पैसा भेज रहा है. धीरे धीरे भेजो सर. मैं बोला नहीं सर, और 1.5 crore का हमको खरीदना है. So झूठ बोला मैंने. मैं बोला yes very good sir. तो कर दो सर. Next loan में arrange करेगा सर. 6th month I called him. Sir, how much is still balance? Sir, 1,500 balance है. अब आके कर दो. रजिस्टर ऑफिस में आ जाओ. डॉक्यूमेंट सब कुछ आपका नाम पे आ जाएगा. He told me, sir, do you know? You saved around 23 lakhs. मैं सेव किया. क्या है? कैसे? सर, कितना महीना का इंटरेस्ट को सेव कर दिया सर. I was very proud. Then next in Trichy, I bought a flat. Again, the same. Again, 6 month. I gone for loan. 8 month. Again, loan gone. Second house. So this is how real estate. Yeah.
What are the prices? 3 lakh वाला land का अभी क्या price?
अभी more than 12 और कुछ चल रहा है.
The 4 lakh one is about
4 lakh you can put 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs.
5.5.
This third one 6
Third
lakh.
6 point. Now it is maybe 7.
What is the value of the flat?
The value of the flat when I bought it is around 42. Presently it's going around 71 आसपास चल रहा है.
So in general real estate में कमी होता है increase. And you're fine with it? Don't you ever think I should sell everything this and just get into stocks?
No, डर लग रहा है अभी. If I am selling the real estate, feel like I am unsecure. I feel like because I came from that part.
And when did you start in mutual funds?
2017, I started reading Mr. Pattu sir website, Free FinCom. I say, अरे from Chennai is something talking about invest. Let's see. So इससे मैं घुसा अंदर गया देखा है पढ़ा है उसको पूरा का पूरा पढ़ाया. Then I understand about what is mutual fund,
Okay.
what is demat account, why investment is required, how to make a money. And Peter Lynch, and for psychology of money. That started to read gradually 2018-19. I am a big fan of Rachana Ranade. 2018, still I remember 2019. That time there is no million, even is not reached the million. Therefrom I am following. Loved it. Then I turned into Robert Kiyosaki books, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Then I understand, this is how we should not leave this. This is a great time, we need to invest. I started means Kolaveri. I started mean Verithanam. I started entirely 100%. Who will do 100%? Maybe some books or somewhere in the podcast I seen that the runway. Once you have a 20 years, you are starting invest. In the age of 50, the runway is long. After 30, 35, runway is very low runway. But you need to take off. If you need to take off, that RPM, engine RPM, you need to high. I mean, invest in more. If you have a 1 lakh in salary, 80% you need to invest. But at the age of 20, just 20% is enough. But at the age of 40, you need to invest 90%. Or else the runway you cannot take off. The flight will come down surely. I said my wife, coming 5 years, don't ask anything. I will make you rich. But just as a humble, how we are now looking, expenditure कुछ नहीं करना, कुछ नहीं लेना, loan गिन कुछ नहीं जाना. She agreed. She said, why you want to ask? You invest, no problem. My salary is there. I will manage. She allowed me to invest. In that case, I am very lucky. So that now I am in flying, I am in safe pilot, everything is safe.
Then after that, everything in mutual fund?
No. Direct equity. But Nifty 50 ka and mid cap ka. Not in small cap, not in chota mota penny gini, never. Only good quality stocks. I started.
How much is your portfolio and how much in different assets?
5 crores. Percentage wise, the real estate, it is maybe 10%. Bond, 20%. Direct equity, 30%. And the gold remaining.
No FD.
Remove कर दिया ना. FD में कौन डालेगा?
But where is your emergency fund?
कैश में मैं रखा है.
Savings में.
सेविंग्स में रखा है. बस इतना है.
How did you say this number is enough? You could always have stayed 6 more months.
Yes.
1 more year.
Yes. I'm receiving call from Saudi. I'm receiving call from Vietnam. I'm receiving many island guests because my profile is hot. They are calling me. But अगर एक बार मैं गया और 5 साल में फंसेगा उधर. I don't want to my daughter saying that whenever I am going for leaving the country, they are crying. Whenever they are sleeping, I will move. And the next morning, I will say, sorry, dear, sorry. I'll beg. So, this life, I want to stop it. Money aayega, but family, quality of time. Now, age of 41, at least I want to enjoy with my family. So, I started in bond investment. That purpose of monthly income.
You are earning 10 rupees daily to, let's say, 4-5 lakh rupees a month, right? How has money relationship evolved?
There are many people studying in college, earning starting in age of 23-24. I started earning in age of 15. Because of mummy, I understand, she is very, very poor. She struggles to make a 3 of a kid to grow up. That stage to bring up, you are getting like a 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Never. You will not spend. Because I reached at the bottom. Chatak pe aa gaya. Niche tak aa gaya. If you are getting 1 lakh, you will never spend the money. Because I seen the worst part. हर महीना हमको 35 to 40,000, it's enough for us.
What is that split of 35,000?
We are not in rental, first of all. We are living in our own house. Grocery, milk, gas. I don't have a car.
You don't have a car?
No, I don't have a car. I have only bike. If you ask me, what is your last time for shopping mall? 2 years.
2 years.
So shopping mall, we will not go there. When we will go? For Deepavali and Pongal. We'll go for new dresses. Yearly one time. New dresses. That's it. Movies, last movie भी नहीं गया 6 month के पहले. So every 6 months we'll go for movie.
Don't your daughters tell you कि we want to go out etc?
Sure, she will say.
Because that's a case in every family, right?
That case, I'll bring her in the beach. Again, zero cost. Only you need to put a petrol.
How did you get your bike? Bullet?
Yeah, see, again, I am not a person for spending one shot, 1,75,000.
Exactly.
I don't. My friend circle, many of them, I made them, many people to Middle East entry. I don't have a bike, I don't have anything. So they said, no, you need to have one thing. They all together they given a bike.
And what are your advice for someone starting very young?
I went to see some lands in Chennai. Everybody saying, sir, मैं फंस गया in the loan. I want to sell it. I am talking about 99%. ये लोग आ रहा है, चेन्नई पे आ रहा है, IT में बैठ रहा है, 3 महीना का सैलरी का नेक्स्ट महीना पे EMI. I asked him, why you take a loan? मेरे को मालूम है this area become grow up. So I bought it, but EMI, sir, I am going to marry now. I want to sell it now. Once you fall in the excavation, you cannot come out. Nobody will not rescue. अगर पानी आ गया तो भरेगा आपको, अंदर ही फंसेगा. You will not come back.
You don't even think one should take home loan early?
You can go for loan, no problem. But लिख के रखना चाहिए, मेरा 5 साल पे मैं क्लोज करेगा.
उतना ही लेना है.
उतना ही लेना. अगला कल क्या दे मांगा. I mean, पैर ज़्यादा you cannot should not spread. They are paying EMI of 30,000, 35,000. Put it in equity. You put it in bond now. 10,000 bonds are came now. If you're 30,000 rupees, you invested in it. 600 rupees, 700 rupees, at least 300 rupees. Interest will come. So step by step, you need to go.
What is your most expensive buy?
There is a one mobile, one Android. I bought it around 20,000.
हमारे सबके मोबाइल इससे एंड हम सबका कॉर्पस इससे बहुत कम है.
Thank you for watching and supporting our channel.